Hello everyone, it's me Kitty here, and I'm with
The group.
Hey everyone, it's me Drain. Hey everyone, it's me King. Hey everyone, it's me Bluey. Hey everyone, it's me Bella here. Hello everyone, it's me Issa. And hey groupies, it's me Kat here. And we're
The group.
And today we will be playing Subway City or Subway Surfer City. So this is gonna be like, we're gonna be doing this, we're playing this game. And yeah, this is like technically a Subway Surfers 2. There was the original game. Comment below if we should play the original one. This is like the updated version. So yeah, we'll be playing it for you guys. So yeah, we played this before. We played this before when we were younger, the nostalgia. But then it became kind of boring. Yeah, me and Kitty used to play it, guys. Yeah, but I like this style. This should make a movie. So yeah, we're gonna be starting from first to last. So Drain, you can go ahead. We're gonna see who can beat each other's high score. Are we gonna write it down though? I'm too lazy to do that. But you can use your magic. No, let's do it, Drain. Alright. Here we go. Woo. And yeah, guys, there are some good things. Yep. This is gonna be so easy. Yeah, right, Drain. Oh, relaxing. We'll see when it's your turn. Because you're after me. Yes. And yeah, guys, we can't really like do the sound effects because we don't want to get copyrighted. And also, I don't think we might get copyrighted because, but I don't know. But because I think if we do like turn up the volume, it might block us from talking. I don't think there's like a settings here. We're all so close. Hey, it's my friend Tricky. It's Tricky Brain. Alright, Cat. Oh my gosh. Oh my no. You missed your opportunity. That's so sad, Drain. Oh, shut up, Bella. How dare you, guys? Let's not fight. I can do much better. But you barely play your game, so what are you talking about? You're so rude. Sunny Drain. Wow, I hate all of you. Oh my gosh. That was so cool. Yeah, that's a good guy. Oh, Bella. Oh my gosh. That's gonna die a lot. Really, he's a lot. Not so bad, but I think I'm gonna be the best player. Like, Cat, please. But I am, though. It's true. Hey, we want to get copyrighted. And Kitty, you know it's true, so don't even. Fine, I sing with this. You're a king. Can you all stop talking, please? I'm trying to watch Drain do his thing. Please lose this. Wow. Kitty, oh my gosh. Kind of toxic, Kitty. Good one. And this is all right. You guys are distracting me. Stop talking. Shut quiet, guys. Oh, shut up, Bella. We're trying to make Drain lose. You guys are distracting me. Stop talking. Oh my god. I hate you. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got Drain. I feel so bad. I hope you get lower than me, King. Shut up. I'm not watching an ad. Wait, can we watch ads? Nah, that's cheap. Oh yeah. It's King's. Alright, it's King's turn. I mean, Drain did had a pretty surfers. Kitty. Paul. Yeah, sure. Can you stop, Bella, please? Alright, guys. She's so better than King. Wow. Kitty, that was funny. You guys know that King has a crush on Tricky. Wait, What? False rumor.
King, what a
false
tricky.
rumor. It's true. Totally.
That's such a
Chill.
lie.
Whoa.
Why is everyone hating on me today? Chill.
Hey, cat.
Just a joke.
Everyone playing. Everyone playing.
Alright guys, stop talking. I need to concentrate. Yeah, so you can lose.
That's rude.
Wait, who's... I beat his high score. Oh, and I didn't beat his high score.
What?
Yeah, right. This will be my high score too. I'm gonna be your high score.
Jake.
I thought I beat his Dang, who are you calling a thing?
Oh my gosh, King just moved.
Oh
my gosh, why is this so chaotic?
Do not do that. I will literally... Alright guys, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do this. But King wanted to stop. Bella, you're such a liar. Stop putting all the rumors about me. Oh my gosh. They did already know. I know that was secret. Stop playing. I'm not playing with you. Do not spread any false rumors about me. I'm gonna beat King. Strange high score. He said your own high score. Oh! You're so lucky. If you die, King, wedding, that's gonna be karma. How much is my high score? Well, that's gonna be good for me and bad for you because... Wait, do we get a prize? Oh, I think, yeah. The loser has to, like, dress up in a weird avatar. Oh, and then I have to save it. No, I'm not saving it. Wait, Strain's gonna have the lowest then? Oh, that's gonna be so sad. No, I'm not gonna stop with Kitty. Someone has to get lower than me. Come on, Cat. Why is everyone always Kitty? I'll get the lowest. Stop!
Bro, King just fell already. Oh my god! Bro, brother, I'm not.
You're right.
No, I didn't.
And I beat your high score. Yes! Wow. I low-key think oh, just you wait until I get like one.
Oh my gosh!
13,000, yes.
This is so chaotic.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm scared. Oh, I'm getting so scared for King. Yeah, because you're not around playing Kitty. And yep. Jing! Oh, shut up! Oh, leave me alone. I need to concentrate. Shut up.
No, you won't.
King, talk.
Oh my god! Leave me alone, brother. Talk! Leave me alone,
Shut up!
Be quiet!
I hear you, Bella.
Guys,
Leave me alone, Bella. 80,000! That's like tricky better than Jake. No, she's not.
Shut up, guys.
But
Everyone, please be
Tricky is
quiet.
my favorite character.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. So chaotic.
Who's up next? It's me, Bluey.
Groupies are probably like, what the heck is going on?
Alright, who's up next? It's me, Bluey. Bluey, you haven't talked. Because I rarely play this game. Wait, I thought you played this. No, I didn't.
You haven't played
At least I my first.
I hope you get lost. Oh, leave me alone. I want all of you to lose. Everyone
I can do like a new character. Can I do like a new city?
Alright, everyone.
Sure, if you want. Alright. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not doing it. I have to do it. Can I like do worlds? No, I want to do worlds.
Blue, yeah, go Bluey.
Where's the world? I want to do worlds.
On your opponent.
Wait, who are your favorite characters? Let's start.
What the heck?
My favorite character?
also
Badgering?
to know you're after
My favorite character?
Kitty.
No, let's
So
just do it.
what?
I want to see
I'll become
Blue
second,
try.
you'll become third. I'll still be higher
Alright.
than you.
Wait, I want to do this competition.
Everyone arguing. I don't know what they're arguing about.
This? Oh yes. Oh, that's not them. Oh, come on.
This is so chaotic. Everyone just be quiet, please.
Oh, it's a race, I think.
Oh my god.
it! I don't want to do this.
Oh my god.
Get me out of
Don't
here.
bring you on things. Wait, actually no. Because you say you don't want to be on these stupid things. Then stay. God. First of all, you
Just try to be
I'm
Couch guys.
Oh my god.
I really love so hard to
You
do
so
the wrong thing and like
He's just so
because that was not
We're
practice.
just doing this for but all this is done.
No,
You
already
can't. And I won't Can y'all be quiet?
Then if
Can
I
everyone be
go
quiet?
ahead
You mean you're a
No, it's a practice sound. I knew
Thank
it.
you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you're right. That was short anyways. I thought it was gonna be like, oh. Oh my gosh, guys, ads keep coming up.
Be quiet.
I'm gonna
Please,
this
so we can
game
hear Bluey.
again if you guys request it. Yeah, guys, no, it's just ads. One thing I hear about it that the ads keep popping up. I'm like, I don't like it.
No, look at this.
Okay, Bluey, you can go.
I wanna go back.
Hey, guys, I messed up.
Oh wait, no. Press the run. Yeah. Yeah, Bluey.
Oh gosh, guys, I think I'm glitched. Oh my gosh, Bluey. Alright, guys, so we fixed it. Okay, you can go, Bluey. Okay. Yeah, Ninja Maze. We're missing the money. You don't blame me. Should we like time lapse this? We just started the videos. I want the videos like to be entertaining for your people. Yeah. Hoverboard. Hoverboards are so outdated and out of style now. They were so popular in 2021, I think, or 2022. I don't know. Everything was so, basically 2020 was everything. Like Gucci and that's so true. Guys. Wait, guys, we have to go filming. I don't know how bad. So basically, yeah. We are literally filming this video like today, and then when we finish editing it, this will come out today, like the exact. But if it's like long or exhausting and one of us done, sometimes we each like edit the video, so yeah, it's gonna be. Sometimes we just let one person do it, so yeah. Come on, Disney. Oh my gosh. People, you can try. How's she at 11,000? We're so tiny! I didn't realize I was at 12. What the heck? Are you crying? He's crying! King, why are you crying? Oh my gosh, King, you cannot be crying right now. Alright, guys, I'm back. Oh, she has 40,000! Louis barely burned 9 Oh my gosh, shut up, King! That was my plan all along. She gets a second round! You're so lucky! Oh my gosh! Wow, you're so lucky. Unless you used to be like a pro. You guys are so tired. You guys are 20,000. I hate guys so much. I'm not gonna make a stupid ad for this. God. Wait, we should maybe turn off our internet so the ads don't get pop up. Oh yeah, right. If this, oh it works. Alright. But then some of the things are gonna pop up. Wait, who's next? Who's playing? Oh, it's me. Kitty. And then it's gonna be all of it. I'm so invested in this. But I feel like Cat might have a higher risk than me, which I'm so afraid. You are afraid. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just distracting myself by this one, Kitty. I'm gonna still laugh so hard. What did I do? Shut up. Everyone be quiet because I'm not gonna be all your bets. Except for Cat because I don't know. No! I hate this! Oh my god! I hate this so much! What should I have? Like 24,000? Hey, we won't have like any gifts though because our internet is off. Oh yeah, that's probably we can collect them off screen. Who's playing? Who's playing? Play. Okay. Bella, you're playing. I'm not playing. It's Issa. Bella, you come before me, right? No. Who's playing? Wait, me?
Bella, it's obviously you playing.
After
That's
me.
not right.
It's you, Bella. It's not me. Carissa. Girl, please. Bella, I'm last. And it's me. Okay, that's shut up. That's the one. Leave me alone. I will scream at the top of my rabbit. Never mind. I will scratch this up. Okay. Wait, Kitty, I don't want to stretch on you speed this up. I'm not speeding this up for you, Bella. Everyone distract Bella. Scott's not that good. Didn't you say you're gonna beat me, Bella? I'm gonna beat you, but like, oh my god. Leave me alone. Put 12,000. Can I just say something? Yes, Drain. Mine was so slow because it was beginner level, so how are y'all reaching 15,000, 20,000 so freaking fast? Oh, sorry. How are y'all doing that? I think it reached faster every person goes to say yeah. Jinx! I really thought that was Cat. Really? That was King. That's not my voice. You have a really high pitch. No! Yes! I hate you! I'm leaving. Bella! 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 Did Bella leave? Oh my god. Everyone laugh. Wait. Alright, it's Issa's turn. It's really quiet, you know? My party is so amazing that everyone is so quiet. I hate you guys so much. At least you got making some noise, guys. King Dome. It's at 50,000. She's gonna win! Oh yeah! No, 20,000. When you reach 20,000, we'll start making noise. That was your idea, King. Oh yeah. Oops. Oh, she almost said. Wait, what if you almost died there with 6,000 like your cousin, Bella? Oh my gosh, that's really tough. Why does Tilly get so harder? No. Alright guys, distract her. Why is it lagging? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, remember when I bought you that radius? Remember when I got you the lush pad you always wanted? Oh yeah. No, it's just tricking you. Issa. The game is kind of lagging a bit because we're not talking. It's drama. But shut up, dude. Where's Cat? No! Wait, who? I think it was me, Kitty. I had the highest, 24,000 or 23. Yeah. Now for last match. Please, I don't want Cat to beat me. Oh, calm down, Kitty. She's probably gonna lose. Oh, shut up. You know what? Cat can actually do. King, you're so annoying. Leave me alone. Okay, yeah, it's me now. I'll go with you. What are you doing, Cat? Just doing some stuff. You don't have to worry. I always have to upgrade my stuff. I like being organized. Well, that's true. Alright, oh my gosh, she got us so much more money. Oh gosh. La 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 la, just have to distract her. You just have to distract her. Okay, I'm not talking to you in her room. Come on, Drain. Yeah, let's just distract her, she'll lose. And by the way, Kai only get one shot at this, so yeah. Okay. Where's Issa? Where's well, Issa's not gonna work with us. Come on, food. Have her food? Yeah, your favorite food. Pass? This is Jacqueline, yes. My favorite food is, yeah, I can't really say that. Now you gatekeeping, you gatekeeper. She's gonna lose. Come on, we just gotta lose her at like 20,000. Wait, no, not like 16,000. Oh my god, I don't want Kitty to win, but Kitty really doesn't really have that. Oh my god. Kitty, you're so wrong. She's gonna lose. You guys may think she's gonna lose, but if she even knocks her head, she will get back up. She will get back up. What the heck? Drain. Cat, you're so dimpy. You're so annoying. You were processing this. No. I hate you, Kitty. I hate you. No. That was so close. I hate you, Kitty. I hate you so much. I'm sorry. No! I almost defeated you! Stupid Scream! You're not me. Get away from here. Bella, come back. Oh, that's sad. But look who got the highest. It's me, Kitty. And it was a battle anyways.
Oh my gosh.
So the person who lost, who got the lowest, was it Drain or Bella?
Real,
I think I Drain. How much did you get? I think I got 15 or 14. We need to review the footage anyways. And Bella. So yeah, so we're gonna edit this back and then we're gonna see or review the footage, and yeah. Whoever lost gets rid of the hat. Did Bella leave? Oh.
okay.
Too bad for her. Anyways, guys, that will be it. And it's the group. And yeah. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Bye. It's the group. Oh guys, and if you want to watch more videos, be sure to drop a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye.